about PAC, it was just a program. It was real simple. It was put on my heart coming to and from work, listening to Tony Evans, Urban Alternative, his adopt school initiative. So I said, well, if they can adopt schools, why can't we adopt some of these troubled apartment units and make them more part of the community and solve some of the crime problems in the neighborhoods? And so that's how PAC was born. But you can't do that without the clergy, without the community, without Yasser, without everybody. And especially Veronica and people like Tammy. Because all I had to do was say, hey, we got this idea. And they just took it and said, that's a darn good idea. Let's run with it. And what surprised me most is that all you guys back there in the uniforms, you took it up the same way. You said, this is a good program. We all need God. And somehow think we've forgotten that. It's a part of the triangle. It's one of the legs that this program stands on. It's the leg, right? So after 15 years, I'm really surprised. Actually, no, I'm not. Because once you put something in place, you plant a seed like that, and God takes it over, you know it's a good program. And I think we'll be here for another 15 years. Amen. So let's keep it going, guys. I'm so moved that after all this time, just something that just was an idea, a concept, has turned into this, and it's still going on to now a citywide program in PACA. So keep it going, keep the prayers going. Commander Rodriguez, congratulations to you. I heard you're doing a good job back there. It's nice to meet you for the first time. That's one thing. Yeah, let's give him a round of applause for him. Yeah. Because every captain we've had in that division, no matter what it was called, whether it's Brayburn, Fondren, South Gessner, it's always had special people leading it, from the community to the captains, right? And so, man, keep up the good work, and congratulations again. Love all of you guys. God bless.
So we do have another award, some different awards. But before that, I want to recognize